Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be trying out the Dyson Dupe, aka the 5-in-1 hair styler. If you want to see how this product works and know what I think about it, then please keep on watching. Alright, so as I have mentioned, today we will be trying out this Dyson Dupe, aka the 5-in-1 styler that is currently going around Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok Shop. Now, this is what the box looks like. Okay, so this is the box that it came in. It's a very simple box, very lightweight, very compact. And this is what the body looks like. It has 3 settings. There's no cool setting on this, but the higher the setting is, the hotter the temperature gets and the more wind it blows, basically. So, pataas ng pataas ang number, palakas ng palakas, at painit ng painit. Ganon. Alright, so now let's talk about the attachments that are included in this set. Now, to be honest with you guys, I've already tried this out. I've had this product for around 2 to 3 weeks already. So, I've used it a couple of times already. And kung may makita kayong buhok-buhok sa attachments, that's why. So, let's first start off with the blower. Ayan. So, ito blower lang to. It blows air from this part. And yeah, that's pretty much it about this. Next, we have this comb attachment, followed by a round brush, which is currently my favorite. And then we have 2 of these curling attachments. So these have arrows on top, so you know which side they're going to go. Ganon. So ayan. So for this one, the arrow is going this way. And for this one, it's going the other way. Alright, so putting the attachment on is pretty easy. You just have to look for this part and this part. And then once you hear a click, once you hear a click, that's already secured. And then I'm going to mute a lot of this footage out kasi it's very, very loud. But I'm going to let you hear how loud it is just so that you could have an idea on how strong the wind flow is. So this is setting number 1. Setting number 2. And setting number 3. Yan. So it is pretty loud, but let me just show you how strong this is. So as I've mentioned, this is the blower attachment and the wind comes from this part. So again, my hair is pretty heavy because it is damp. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Again, this is the blower attachment. I really like this because it's able to dry my hair in a matter of a few minutes. Aside from that, it is also extremely lightweight. It usually takes 2 to 3 hours for my hair to completely air dry, but with this, it only takes around 10 minutes for my hair to fully dry. Now, I like using this to get my hair dry up to 80% before I move on and use the other attachments. Next, we have the comb attachment. This is useful if you're like me and the roots of your hair dry much slower than the hair shaft and ends. It also helps in straightening the hair and untangling it. And here we have my favorite, the roller brush attachment. This is my go-to since I like wearing my hair straight with the ends curling inwards to frame my face. This gives my hair body, volume, and bounce. And finally, we have the curling attachments. As I have mentioned, there are 2 of these, 1 for each side. And honestly, I still need to practice, but I love how soft these curls are. Also, you have to be patient with this because you can only curl small sections with it. Alright, so this is what my hair ended up looking like. As you can see, I definitely need to practice more and work on these curls. I haven't really gotten the hang of using this attachment. However, I do like how it looks like. It's very effortless, ganon, not super parlor-like kulot. Yeah, I really like this. And honestly, I think this would be a lot easier if you had layered hair or longer hair than I do. That's just my personal opinion kasi I used to have very long hair, and when I cut it, I found it harder to curl than longer hair. I don't know why. But yeah, very soft waves lang na nice loose curls. I really like it. However, my go-to attachment is of course this one for drying my hair and this one for styling it because I don't typically curl my hair when I go out. I just use this to make my hair curve inwards. So let's talk about my final thoughts on this product. Is it worth the price? Definitely. Am I interested in getting the original or the real Dyson Airwrap? Not really, because as you can see, I'm not really that good with hair. And I don't think it would be worth it for me to spend that much money on something that I'm not really good at, you know? I'm not even sure if I would be able to make the real Airwrap work. So this for me, it does the job. I really like it. I just need more practice, as I've mentioned, specifically with the curling attachments. But so far, so good. On a regular day, after I towel dry my hair for a few minutes, I go in with this nozzle or this attachment, and this usually takes me 5 to 7 minutes to dry my hair up to 90%. And then I finish off with this one. If you're interested in getting this product, I'm going to have it linked in the description box below. That's for a Shopee checkout. But if you would like to purchase this on TikTok shop, you can see the listing here. It's on my TikTok shop, and yeah. So I guess that's pretty much it for this short review. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you haven't. All of my social media handles will be listed down below, so go ahead and check that out if you want. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video.